ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ka Sarkar Jilla Lympungbah ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society kan sarakhe ye ka jingdap sanpos nem jong ka jingyo Jilla Bapura ka Jilla Meghalaya da ka Pynlong ye ki self help group mega camp ha Kylleng ki jaka jong ka Jilla ban punko buromru ye ki longkme ki badai ni ki khot jong ki self help group yakni ka self help group mega camp lasdang ningkong halaskan block haka jingelang ka bala Pynlong ha shangpung mos em haka henreu terik ubnai risau arajar arpway ha ka bo menteri ketenat CNRD block uba hamlet doling ulalong kongsan kat bo menteri jong ketenat ka kot ka khia u James PK sangma ulalong ku musumbot kongsan u MLA ka thany uba coming one umban u deputy commissioner jong ka West Gentia Hills district uba Garot LSN Dikes, u block development officer jong ka Laskain block, uba Bright Star Langbang, u project director jong ka DRDA, u PK Boro, bat kiway. Hagani ka jingelang lapan ko buramru ya ki self help groups ki balawan banya shimmenta hagani ka sngi.
Kum ke Sarkar Jilla, berkum ke department berkumju, Lympungbah kani ke society, ni kuat beri ke member subha, nam tak kani ke number one. Baru isemru yang kebu ban celebrate yang dikonta daga bangi Pynlong yakni ke SHG mega camp kabarlong tum ipiading ban pentaba ban pernai hakajingi borokwe ya ke jingdon jongdi ki self help group badek ke benta ke baki kilale Kum ka Sarkar ila bothong bagi kuat ban yo ye ki self help group hangi ban form lakum nu sa hajar li self group hadu national snel kedam da kaniru ngasub naik khube kapang ban congratulate ye ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society ka batrish ka mantala new prasna banum banlang ye ki long kwe jungi ban form ye ki self help group but menda Nilakem jo cakap lai pusah hajar li kisah help group. Tangan ni polas kan blog kita menduk kumpa siajar ruspa kendai penyot li kisah help group. Bada po ke West Gentia district kita kumpa lajar arspa sunfly li kisah help group. Kini kalau kita persiang jok society, bak kamdong kabelen oi. Milai ya ke jengla haki bun ba ki Shnong kam tam ki nang dong Lympungbah judon jong ke self help group kene ke self help group kene ka thong jog department je society jing kalong kumno bani le ban pindana ban ruweng ya ke jing duk ya ke jing kardo de pipet apo ajla jungi dangyong bangiduk hawat Girang prayer lagi gue pada kerkom junduk kumolong gue kecelah. Amerika juga lagi hidup, hawat hidup. Tebang ibiang kebam kedi ibiang, kekuk kasem ibiang. Kata kejelong kerbang juga cek beri kusik jungi. Jadi gue jelah pina bawang duk, laduk tikna. Kebam kembiang, kayeng kemdan bersa, disak cisrop, disak sendiri interal bakom ter. I know you play. Wai ni gari ke bakerpang lagi duk ru ilong hak dur ke biang buat along hak ada dulu ke society ke Sarkar India Lympungbah NRLM ko kwa ban poi sha ko ba nyut hajar tali ke long yeng ki bedu masuk ban poi ban rich ban thau ye ke sel group balai ban kawan na ke jing
In fact, we want to move shoulder to shoulder and we want to prove that we are the banker to every people living in rural Meghalaya. And we hope to be people worthy so that when we are judged by our achievements, we will be seen as a banker which has always helped the people of Meghalaya. And today I feel it is a small step in that direction. What Neil Armstrong once said, a small step it is a giant leap for mankind, but I will not go and say that much. But then I will say that this is a small step today, but it is a giant leap for the people of West Jaintia Hills. Please do something with this. Take use of this opportunity. Ensure that the money goes wrong. Ensure that you work hard to repay back the loan so that we are able to recycle the loan and give to other people also. That is to say, please work hard. If you need any knowledge gap is there, anything is there, we are ready to help you, we are ready to come forward to you. My branch managers are there in Shampong and other areas of West Jaintia Hills. We are ready to give you a helping hand.
Operating Officer yang na ong wuto kani ke program na ulai ki chmoro ki blok tas now comment wuto wa ke Laskin blok ko em hapok ke West Jaintia Hills district naman ke blok ke Menengkong ko yo wai phang no kani program ko we to ke community investment fund wa ka vulnerability reduction fund. So just to inform, just to share a brief about this type of funds. The community investment funds is the funds which we give to the SAGs through the village organization, and in place where the cluster level federation is there, we route the funds through the cluster level federation, where we give to the SAGs, where the SAG members can utilize for income generating activities. So an amount of 1,10,000 is given to each and every SAGs in 2 installments, and for the vulnerability reduction fund, the VRF, we give based on the vulnerability reduction plan that the SAG members is compiling or is doing at the SAG level, where they try to identify the vulnerable section from among the SAG members and even non-SAG members, and they try to address these kinds of issues, this kind of vulnerability through this VRF.
Wah, kini program dah organize. Nak kebentar yang pergi self group tu sekini katahan yang ini. Kamu dah senyawi wong CEO. Hepor sedang formi di self group. Nang duna bah. Kan ni senyaw debon bah di self group pok state yang ini. Tengah le yo ngeliang yang ana do ini self group. Sebon kijing kelah hapok ka Shnong ka thao lene. Hapok ka society yang ini. Lympungbah ni self group the kijing snawe jan yang pi prapi kamtam pi gentai go bah uyo skim ng sarkar. Kini self group pi gentai do ni. Pi man pi go bah tam. Dekat dengan tengah kerpa di pi self group wanang ekre stom chocho. Kenang wa VIP u imbah imiat ka yung kasam ng pi. Yo pi chani chudok prapi, yo pi chimram prapi. Lagi daw yung pagkubi prapi. Tau MP kajing is now to jingmut. Kenang wa like UM kajing subayi biwi. Bon sen na kajing per jingmut pi no ka krop yung pi pentelot ke pi mikre. Dengan kwa au chimi po sebon ketin na nagliang nga dutay kerkukurdo ipi waro. Ay bagi sel group ke UM ne kasni heini ki umem le. Uman gi sel group tolai baik lar.
Blok hagani ka state juni ko Meghalaya. Mengin ya rakhir ya kadra ka jingdap san posnam jong ka Meghalaya ha operated in January 2022. Ini Pynlong gani ka program kenang ben yogi kita ki kamram dikile ki self group kata ka jingmentoy ni ka benefit dingila banjo dingilong ta ki members of the self group. But kumno kini ki long kumi ki bala long di self group tu kila ban dang penwan ya ki long jing ki berang ki bapan long banyasim benda self group kumno ban banyalam lang ya ki agani ka movement jongi ka self group movement abang mensu ai nuksa ya ki abang isdang ya kini ka program jongi ke enablem ni dan tang tumba sauspa self group aki sau block jongani ka state. Mentang kerman menyesuai FIBA, niladan ha baru part di Tharway tu di district, sabun real tu di block, baniladan ada live full sau hajar di self group atas setiap ini, banidan kata gajing semua ban penpoi hado sau hajar, ban nekut ini usnan mentang. Dengan kerman ba, ini ke movement jongi ke nang judgement, Kemen baki bilang kami badan hani mentasni Pynlong kita ki nong yalam denti yaki wei pat bilang kami bakin sementa bana ta kadau mentasni ini tang gini rakhie yakini ka self help group movement rengi kwa ban ai lu yakini ki kusnam yaki award nebenta ki tu ki self help group ki bala award chakmat Pynlong kita ki nong yalam denti yaki wei pat bilang kami
Rural Livelihood Society, which is hosting this inaugural SHG mega camp ahead of the historic year when our state will be achieving 50 years of our statehood next year. I think the MSRLS, the Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, needs to be commended for the immense work they have done for the grassroots. And today's event and this program is a continuation of their commitment and is also at the same time a testimony to all the hard work and to all the changes that they're bringing about today. The problems related to reproductive health, child health, maternal health, immunization, hygiene and sanitation that we need to tread till we reach a point of making affordable healthcare universally accessible.